Hi, this is Eric coming to you from InfoComm 2018 from Optical Cable Corporation. Here we're demoing our fiber termination kit. This is our kit. So we're going to show you exactly how we terminate fiber. So we take this, our thermal fiber stripper. Shows how we strip the fiber back. Take it, place it here. Shows us how we use our precision cleaver to make sure that we get the right amount of fiber that we need. Very quick, simple. From there, we're going to put on a connector like so. Once that connector is on, we are then going to test it. So, taking our fiber checker here. Plugging that in. Turning it on. And there you see we have the light. Very quick, very simple. If you want to find out more about OCC, visit us at occfiber.com.